Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sure your analytics work even when your visitors are using ad blockers. This is a common problem that can lead to you missing up to 40% of your visitor data, but here's an easy solution using simple analytics. Now let me demonstrate the problem first. Here we have a website using the regular analytics script, and let me just refresh so I can show you that that request is being blocked. You can see a GET request for the analytics script here, and you can obviously see that this has been blocked by my ad blocker. Now there's two ways to go about fixing this. You can either set up a custom proxy on your server, and you can read more about that in the description. And the second option is to set up a custom domain, which is what I will explain how to do in this video. It involves serving the analytics script through your own domain, and the best part is you can use your one custom domain for all of your websites. So let me show you how to set this up. It only takes a few minutes. The first thing I'm going to do is edit my DNS settings. So go to wherever you bought your domain from. I got mine from Namecheap, so let me pull that up. And wherever you can add your host records, just click on Add New Record. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on CNAME record. And so for the host field, I recommend typing something like SA or data or API. I'm going to type in SA here. Make sure to not use anything like tracking or analytics here, as even these requests will still be blocked by most ad blockers. Then in the value or target field here, type in simpleanalyticsexternal.com. And all this will be in the description if you want to just copy paste. Now just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And a quick important note, if you're using Cloudflare, make sure that you turn off this little orange cloud here. Otherwise, the SSL certificates won't work. Okay, so now that we have that DNS record set up, let's go across to our Simple Analytics dashboard. And I'm on my site here, so I'll go ahead and click on Settings. And on the left here, I'll click on Bypass Ad Blockers. And here, I'll type in sa.scalefunction.com. So this is my subdomain that I typed in earlier, and then just my domain name afterwards. So let me click Save. So once you click Save, I recommend just clicking this, check SSL certificate, and just let this do its thing. This should take about a minute or so. And crucially, let's not forget the last step, which is of course to change our analytics script on the site's code itself. So I'm going to open up my code editor here. You can see I've got my usual simple analytics script here. Let me just go ahead and change this to sa.scalefunction.com. Go ahead and save that. And once I deploy this, we can see that everything is working as it should. Okay, so I've now deployed that change to the script to production. Let's go ahead and check if it works. I'm on the original website here. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page. Now you can see that the latest.js from sa.scalefunction is coming through correctly, so it's no longer getting blocked by my ad blocker. And remember that you can use the same domain for all your other websites. So for any of my other sites, I could also type in sa.scalefunction.com and it would work the exact same way. And that's it. That's everything you need to do. So let me give you a quick recap. You create a DNS record pointing to simpleanalyticsexternal.com. If you're using Cloudflare, make sure you disable the proxy. Go to simpleanalytics.com and in your website settings, make sure you add that custom domain and then update your scripts across all of your websites. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.